Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, May 13th. Hope you're doing great. I hope you had a wonderful weekend last weekend. If you celebrated on Mother's Day, I had a really good day with my family. Luckily, everybody was home, so my husband grilled us a nice lunch. I got some wonderful presents. We went out to a cute little town near here on a lake and just walked around, bought a few things, got some ice cream, and it was just a very fun day, and I felt very well taken care of, so it was great. Hope you guys had a good day too, and that you're having a good week. Everything is good here. I got some fun things that I want to show you, so let's get started. One of the things I got was this cute little bracelet that my daughter gave me, and it's got a heart. It looks like it has like mother of pearl on it, and then this other heart charm, this charm that says mama, and another heart with like sparkles in it. So I thought that was really pretty, and just put that on with my other bracelet. So and my son got me a Ray Dunn mug that is upstairs in the kitchen, but I also got this. This is from the cats, and I'm going to keep this in my craft room. It's a nice big canister, so I got to think of something fun to put in there. I have tons of stuff to organize. My craft room looks like a tornado went through it, so I got to do that this weekend and clean it up. But anyway, let's move on. I went to Hobby Lobby today. Today's Thursday, and they're having like a clearance event throughout the store in the decor section. So when you go to Hobby Lobby, make sure you take a look through like the middle of the store on all the shelves. Like there are baskets that are on sale and some paintings and sorry, my allergies are horrible. And trays and things like that. So I did pick up this tray. It was originally $29.99. I got it for $7.49, and I like it because it's got this like ribbed glass bottom, so I thought this would look nice on my kitchen counter to put like mail and stuff in. I have a pink tray on there now, but I think I want to switch it out to this, and this one is a little bit bigger. This one's about like 15 by 10. So yeah, and I might, well, if I keep it in my kitchen, I'll leave it this color, but if I keep it in my craft room, I plan on painting the wood part, but I do like this wood finish, so lots of good stuff on clearance. That's really the only thing I got on clearance. I did pick up this in the paper crafting section. This is Black Soot Distress Oxide. Tim Holtz is 40% off this week, so I didn't have black, so I decided to get that and try that out with some ink blending. Speaking of ink blending, let me get the brushes. Hold on. Remember I had hauled these last week, so I just wanted to update you. I tried them out. They're great. I just used one actually for some vintage photo, and it works wonderfully. It works for larger areas particularly well because, you know, there's like a big diameter on the brush itself, but it's smooth, makes really nice, even ink blending effects. So definitely recommend these. If you need a link, they're in my last week's haul video for those from Amazon. All right, so I just want to update you about that while I was thinking of it. I got one thing at Target, and they're not really crafty related. These are Sugar Fecks earrings, and I had seen these when they first came out, but they were $14.99 originally. They're clearance for $4.49, and I can't wear these as earrings even though they're so cute. They're just really, really big and heavy, and I just don't wear earrings like that. But I was thinking to use them like as a charm for, you know, paper crafting or dangle, something like that. And so I figured I would pick them up for $4.49. I thought, you know, $2.25 each is not bad at all since they are so nice and heavy. So take a look if you're interested in these in your Target, like in the accessory section, but they were in like a separate clearance section. So these are so cute, aren't they? These would look really cute, I thought, like on the side of a recipe book or something like that. So wanted to show you those, even though they're, you know, not crafty related per se. All right, from AliExpress, I ordered this in March. This is a set from the Midodo store, and it's a nesting square set. it finally, I was almost ready to file a dispute, but it came like the next day when I was about to do it. So luckily I didn't have to, but this is a great set. It's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different squares, and then they have the border too. So you can separate them if you want, but what I did was I used 2 of the sizes already, and I just left the embossing part attached so it would stay there. You could take it off if you wanted to use the frame set by itself, but I really got it because of this cute embossing detail, so I figured why would I take it off of each of the squares. So I'm just going to leave them there. And I do have a little example to show you. This is just a preview. I was working on my DIY art bin store design team package, and this fishbowl is in there. But this yellow paper here, I used that Midodo store die, and actually this is the smaller one. Isn't that so cute, the way it embosses those little, like, I don't know, just little eyelet kind of designs. And then of course it embosses the stitching too. It's not really stitching, it's more like dashed lines. But I love it. I thought it was very unique, and I love nesting sets. So that's what that is, and I will link it down below if you're interested. I'm not sure why it took so long. I think it was shipped out promptly. It just got stuck somewhere. It's not the vendor's fault, but anyway, let's move on. I'm just going to move this out of the way because I have a paper pad to show you. I went to Michael's yesterday, and no, I don't need paper, but you guys, they have a lot of new pads out. So did I bonk my camera? Sorry about that. I picked this up. They had, like, their paper pad aisle was all new stuff. And a lot of them were the $9.99 limited edition pads, and I do have a lot of them already, but they did have some of the $19.99 ones, and this one was $19.99. I don't think it says anywhere, does it? I don't see it. But I did have a 40% off coupon, so I did use that. And I have seen people haul the 6x6 plaids, but this one has 29 different designs, which is awesome, and 2 sheets of each. So the 6x6 does not have that many. I compared them, and it had some similar prints, but this one has a lot more, so that's why I got this one. So it's got 58 sheets, which is a lot, and this one does not have the solids intermixed. Maybe that's why it's more expensive, plus it's, you know, got more papers than the other ones. So let's do a flip through in case you haven't seen it. Really pretty plaids. These are so great for backgrounds. Love this pink, like an argyle plaid. And there's gold foiling, as you can see on this one, with a white background. I kind of wish there were 3 of each. I've gotten used to that with the $9.99 pads, and I do like that. Look at this one. This is purple and black. This is awesome. I thought this would be great for like a masculine card, because my son, purple is his favorite color, especially this dark purple, so I thought that would be great for him. Here's another one. This could be Christmassy, masculine, any time of year, really. Nice, you know, classic red and black plaid. Then there's this green one too, also Christmassy or not, but you could definitely incorporate it into your Christmas projects. This one, I really like the colors. It's teal and pink and white. Can't go wrong with that, right? So these are single-sided papers. This one is kind of like a mustardy color plaid. This reminds me of summer, this one, kind of like, you know, tablecloths or something like that. This one is a very subtle, I guess that's gray or light black plaid on purple. Love that too. And this one is like another golden kind of plaid, just on the diagonal. Really nice for backgrounds if you want to add, you know, just a little something in the background of a card or a project, but with a little bit of pattern to it. This one is just that teal by itself and white check. This is a really pretty summery plaid. Isn't that nice? I could see like a, you know, Madras shirt out of this. And then this one has some foiling on it, and this is white and aqua, and I think that's gray. Can't really tell. Maybe purpley with gold foiling. And then another summery plaid. Very, very pretty. Love these. See, you can see why I needed this, right? Pink and yellow on this one. That's nice. Love that, those light color plaids. And here's a darker one with teals and blues. This looks like a necktie to me. And then more purple, and this one has some gold foiling. It's kind of like a window pane on the diagonal. And then, oh, this is pretty too. So summery. Look at all those pretty colors. It's got pink and red and orange, yellow, green, blue. All the colors of the rainbow. Some more pink, just a pink subtle plaid. Love it. And then we've got some purples and whites and kind of like indigo, I guess. And then this one's cool. It's got like green and orange. So very summery looking, but I think you could probably use this in fall projects too. And then this one is like mint and kind of like a periwinkle blue on white. And then this one is aqua with gold foiling. Beautiful. Another cool plaid with pink and aqua. And then this one is, I guess that's black. Yeah, that looks black with gold foiling. Nice and simple. And then this one is like a cornflower blue with white, but a very soft white, not stark white. And then white and gold foiling. Nice. And this one is red and black and some white. Also another Christmassy one, I think. And then this one is nice. It's just different grays. Also good for masculine cards. If you want to make like a necktie card, that would be perfect. And then this one is greens, like a lime green and orange and white, dark green, black. And that's it. So I think this was a really great buy, this paper pad. They had a lot of nice ones, you guys. So if you don't need paper, but you want some anyway, or if you need paper, go to Michael's. Use your 40% off coupon. And I've had people ask me how I get a 40% off coupon. You have to sign up for rewards and they send it in your email. It doesn't appear in your rewards on the app. It appears in email. So just make sure you check those. So also at Michael's, I picked up a couple loose sheets of yellow paper, and I just need some like plain, nice yellow. And this is by Recollection, 65 pounds. And does it have a name on it? They don't usually, right, at Michael's? Anyway, that's the number. I think they were 99 cents each. And I did have the 20% off coupon off all regular purchases too, so I used that. I also had a voucher, and I used that too. At Michael's, I picked up this tape as well, and this is called Pixie Tape Removable Adhesive. It looks like the mint tape that you get from scrapbook.com, which is, hold on, this one. Looks pretty much the same, but just pink. So I thought I would try it. I think it was $6.99, but I used the 20% off coupon on that. So I think, oh no, I got a couple more of those Tombow alcohol markers that were on clearance for $1. I got this color and this color, so pink and aqua. Of course, you know me. So I always need like certain shades of pink sometimes when I'm coloring, and I have a hard time finding exactly what I want, but so I just got another one, and I don't have a color like this. So those are the numbers if you're interested. So make sure you take a look at Michael's. Again, those were by the register in my Michael's. All right, let me just move these over. And I got a crafty item from Zulily, and they had this AC cardstock there. I've never tried their cardstock before, like in this kind of configuration, but they had lots of different packs. They had, this one's the pastels, and they also had like neutrals and I don't know, lots of different ones. One like winter that was really pretty. So these, and now unfortunately mine came a little beat up. I'm not gonna like cause a fuss or anything, but because I most likely will cut these apart, but they did come a little dented, so that's kind of a bummer. But anyway, these are the colors that it came with. I haven't opened it yet. Let's take a look. And what's cool about this box is you could just rip this part like tear away like it says, and then just like leave it on your shelf and you know, take them out this way, or you can put it on your shelf this way, kind of like stacked, you know. So let me just tear this away so we can see the paper itself. And this is, what does it say? 60 sheets, 20 colors, 3 of each, and it's 80-pound paper, textured solid core, heavyweight. So I love that it's solid core. All right, so you can see the texture on that. Isn't that nice? Yeah, this feels really, really good. I love solid core paper. Nothing's worse when you're like bending a project, like for a rosette or something, and you see that white inside come through. That just drives me nuts, and I'll throw it right out. So this is good. This will help my aggravation probably. So these are all the pretty colors. And if it's still available on Zulily, I will link it down below. And it was a really good price too, because once I saw it on Zulily, I compared it on like other sites, maybe scrapbook.com or, you know, ones like that. And it was much better price on Zulily. So really pretty colors, and they're all textured like that. So yeah, that was a good find, I thought. This was a paper kind of week. Let's see, what else? I think, that might be it for my haul. Again, a pretty small one this week. I do have a few updates. Remember last week I had hauled this Impression Obsession stamp that I got from their, you know, once, right before they stopped offering rubber stamps, individual stamps. So I did stamp it out, which I showed you that, but I did color it too. So I wanted to show you what it looked like colored. And I think it came out really nice. It took a while to color. This is a really big stamp, but yeah, it's cute, right? This will be nice in a recipe book, which I'm still working on. Also, I wanted to tell you, if you are looking for Impression Obsession individual cling mount stamps, like not the ones that are wood mounted, but ones, you know, that are just like cling mounted, like this one that you can use in your acrylic blocks or in your stamp positioner, look at Frantic Stamper, because she has a lot of Impression Obsession rubber stamps still available. And I did order a few, they just haven't gotten here, but I wanted to tell you, in case you missed out on some that you were looking for on Impression Obsession, and the prices are really good, they're just like they are on Impression Obsession's site. So yeah, just a little, you know, little information that you might like to know too, in case you figured you missed out. And I was glad to see that they still had a whole bunch of them actually. So there's that. And let's see. I am working on my DIY Art Bin Store design team stuff. I did show you that one card with the fishbowl, but I've got other ones coming. I've shown some things on Instagram. If you're not following me, go ahead and give me a follow over there if you're on Instagram, because I show stuff there first before I share it on YouTube usually. So I've got that going. KS Craft, my design team package, got lost in the mail, so Hannah had to send another one out. Thank you, Hannah, if you're watching. So that should be coming soon. And let's see. Oh, well, you know, I'm working on the design team for Adorn It and their Dianna Marcum stamps. I don't know if you've been watching the stamp workshops on Adorn It on Facebook, but there's a stamp kit that Diana's having through Adorn It. It's a subscription, and every month you get really, really cute like recipe stamps and everything. So, oh my gosh, I am so excited for that. I can't wait. So I will link their Facebook group down below, and other sites, like if you want to sign up for the subscription. So, but yeah, go ahead to the Adorn It Facebook page, because they will describe everything in detail. And I am so looking forward to being on these design teams this year. DIY Art Bin, KS Craft, and Adorn It. I'm just really, really excited, and I'm looking forward to lots of crafting coming up. So that's it for today. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me. I hope you enjoyed my haul and my few little crafty updates. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll leave all the links that I can down in the description box. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.